Struggling to find where to add PayPal in Namecheap? I will show you exactly where it is hidden, so you can pay with PayPal in under 2 minutes. Here is the plan. First, we head to Namecheap's homepage. Then we will navigate through your account settings to the Payment Methods page. I have tested this exact process from a real user account, so you see every click, and I will walk you through it step by step. So let us start from the very beginning. Go ahead and open up Namecheap's homepage. You want the main site, not your account dashboard yet, just the regular homepage where you would search for a domain name. We start here because this is where the hidden menu lives that most people miss. Now that you are on the homepage, look at the top navigation bar. You will see a bunch of menu items. What you want to find is My Offers. It is not always obvious because it blends in with all the other links. Click on that. All right. Once you click My Offers, it takes you to a page that shows you different promotions and deals from Namecheap. Now here is where it gets a little tricky. You are looking for a specific offer. Scroll down a bit until you see something that says, Make SEO Simple with Step-by-Step Guidance. This might look like an ad or a promo card, but trust me, this is where the payment settings are hiding. Click on that offer. Now you are on a page that is actually part of Namecheap's app or service area. It looks different from the main site. In the top right corner, you will see a button that says Payment Details. This is the key. Click on that. So now we are inside the payment settings area. You will see a section that lists your current payment methods, if you have any. Look for a button that says Add Payment Method. It is usually a clean, simple button. Click that. A small window or menu will pop up with a few options. One of them will say Add PayPal Account. You want to click that one.
It is the specific option for linking your PayPal. This is the step where you leave Namecheap temporarily. A new window or tab will open and redirect you to PayPal's login page. This is totally normal and secure. Log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Once you are logged in, PayPal will ask you to review the agreement. Look for the button that says Return to Namecheap Inc. and click it. Now you are back on Namecheap's site. You should see a message that says your PayPal account has been successfully linked. Take a moment to check that it shows up in your payment methods list. You should see your PayPal email or a PayPal badge there. That confirms everything is connected. Here is an optional step if you want to test it out. You can try adding a cheap domain to your cart, like a 99-cent domain, and go through the checkout process. When you get to the payment section, you should see PayPal listed as an option. You do not have to complete the purchase, but it is a good way to verify it works before you actually need to use it. And that is it. From confused about where to add PayPal in Namecheap to having it linked and ready to go for seamless payments. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more walkthroughs just like this.